Hello dear friends, welcome to my channels. Today's discussions is Olympiad mathematics. Problem is difficult. 1 to the power x equals to 4. So taking log in both sides, so I get ln 1 to the power x ln 4 equals to x into ln 1 equals to ln 4. So x equals to ln 4 divided by ln 1. Now ln 1 equals to 0, so the solutions is infinite solutions. Okay, so ln 4 by 0, so infinite solution. So no real solution in here. Now e to the power I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. We get this formula from de Moivre's theorem. If theta is equal to 0, then cos 0 is equal to e to the power I 0 is equal to cos 0. So I sin 0 is equal to 1. Both side is 1. Now theta is equal to I into 2k pi equals to cos 2k pi plus I sin 2k pi. For k equals to 2, e to the power I 4 pi 4 pi k 4 pi, okay, I sin 4 pi, okay. So you see that both sides is 1 and 1. Similarly, k equals to 3, we get e to the power I 6 pi is equal to cos 6 pi plus I sin 6 pi equals to 1. And we proceed same when k equals to 4, k equals to 5, all time we get the value is 1. So similarly, k equals to 4, k equals to 5 and dot 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 so on. So k is integer. Now 1 to the power x is equal to 4, so 1 can be written as e to the power I 2k pi to the power x equals to 4. So e to the power I 2k pi x is equal to 4. Now taking log in both sides, two ik pi ln e equals to ln 4. Now x is equal to ln 4 divided by 2ik pi is equal to into ln e is equal to 1. So ln 4 divided by 2k pi 1, ln e is equal to 1. So I get the value minus I divided by ln 4 divided by 2k pi. So thanks for watching. I hope it is clear for everyone, where k is a integer. Now you will review my total work because it is helpful for your understanding. Thanks for watching.